You don't know the richest man, the HypeTV. Up on live right now. It's rich. So what them I say? One knock. You don't know. One knock. When we say one knock, we mean one knock. Because the girl must say Byll Gatesz. The girl must say them like me 6-pack. Saying? And you know say, all of the girl them love Byll Gatesz and I just know. Saying? And from them time they till now. Because you know man a real girlies. Yeah. One knock, big up yourself. HypeTV with it right now. Check in, everybody. Saying? One Byll Gatesz. And you know me no grill gate. You don't know me represent for OneKnockTV. Hey, one knock. You know when I give the girl them money, I be 100 pack. Saying? John Bling, big up yourself. Why ya now? You don't know up on live, HypeTV and a Byll Gatesz. Now one Byll Gatesz here Jamaica. One OneKnockTV. So no don't copy. Cause them thing are copyright. You hear that? Check.
The biggest video in the world. Just drop. It never reached the internet yet. Look good enough.
Right, man.
Yo, video Lord! And everybody in the video is decked out in Diamond D gear. Diamond wear! New video. Still need Lord. Rosa!
Murder card.
No.
It's over.
Win it! It's done. Diamond League right now. Diamond League right now. Vote again. OneKnockTV. Vote again. Yo, wait a man. Come second. Yeah. They lost US. No one. Yes. Yo. But just still loving us in points. The whole Olympic in the dog, man. I missed the Olympic in the dog, man.
Music House, the house of production, not just the studio. We operate Pro Tools, HypeTV, Roland TV, 30 drums, keyboards, guitars, etc.
Oh yeah, Wi-Fi? Come on, follow HypeTV. It's at HypeTV Jamaica. Right now we have one of the richest people in dancehall right here. One of the richest people in reggae music. One of the richest people in Jamaica. And this man, when we say Byll Gatesz, he will never grill your gate. He will never build a laptop. He will never make a computer and give it to you. But if you want money, he got it. He's the richest thing. And in his house, he doesn't drive. He doesn't drive. He flies from room to room. And how do you get to the bathroom? Like when you wanna, like when you wanna wash your face.
Drive go to the bathroom, fly go in the kitchen. Airport me have in my house. Check it.
People live on HypeTV right now, Byll Gatesz in the building. Yeah, I just want to know, like, how did you get so rich? How do you have a jet at your house?
Watch out on Supa. That's what them say. See, you're not for rich in the money. You see me?
Well, you have to be rich to buy a jet.
You can't reach in the head. See?
Yeah.
Well, there are two Byll Gatesz in the world.
John, do you have the jet key on here?
No, John Pilot when they have the key.
Oh, big up John Bling with the jet key. So John Bling is flying the jet. Alright, so tell people like how long you been in music?
Alright. Me I DJ like about 15 years now. But 5 years ago, I think that's what I was.
Of course, my first time people, if you want to know, like the first time I saw Byll Gatesz, I was watching Dancehall Channel, and it was at this big venue on Hillview Avenue where they used to keep every party there, and the biggest Sunday party used to keep there. Apart from White Sundays, they had a big Sunday party there. It was crazy. That's where I saw Byll Gatesz like giving away, like showing out US, pound, Canadian,
every
Jamaican. and all the girls at the party literally dive in for the money. And that's the first time I saw Byll Gatesz. I was like, yo, who is this man? Like, where he come from? Then, of course, he's my friend now, artist. We have like maybe 3 songs that we did, you know? So we're here to support Byll Gatesz 1000%. Alright, tell me about your most memorable moment in music as an artist.
Okay, when America follow the arrow.
Yes.
And did well, because they receive well and thing. And from this I get motivation and I say, you're talented, you know. Go do it.
Yes.
So now me I do it and I work. And the whole street I say Byll Gatesz, because they know one Byll Gatesz in Jamaica. Any other Byll Gatesz are Byll Gatesz.
Yeah, my pretty guitar or something.
Yeah.
Good. So Byll like
own done, that are the good. Vice a song for Cornelius, Scammer Wine, that are good, the good. But the thing what I really push now, on the time been rhythm. It's called Stash Rate.
Stash Rate.
Yeah. You know, walk out, girl get money for Stash Rate. Remember one Byll Gatesz now?
So we can get a piece of that song, just like 1 second, 2 seconds, like lyrics, maybe like 2
When me walk out, girl get money for Stash me. So nobody asks for me Stash me. Be a hot girl, and the whole of them a get slow way. We know what no girl them fi buck way. When me walk out, girl get money. Hey, Supa, watch you now. The whole of them sit down and I wonder how I be money me squander. Look like them blind like Stevie Wonder. If them never blind, they would know me want enough to over yonder. Me never bow down, now go under. No for them a fishing at the sea, them a bounder. And them do a walk and eat, them a wonder. Lyrics them a shell down the place from Liquid and Johnny Wonder. Big up Jabba and Bobby Kanda. Man,
them a move like fish, them a banger. Lyrics them bad. Alright, so
scamming in real life, you know.
Yeah.
A girl sleeping man, I wake up, she got no wallet. All the earring and the chain and them stuff.
Alright,
so, yeah, so come and do this song.
So this
there's a reality.
Yeah, so that's what you mean by scam. Like she's
So, to
scamming
be
shit.
honest with you,
Yeah.
if me never never made sure I'm gonna with it too.
Yes! Alright, so where did you shoot this video?
About 2 months ago, we shoot it over part Elsha and Elsha hits.
Yeah.
Johnson Estate.
And who's the director?
Yard Boys. And then shoot Jamaica Mafia. It's a good look, man. Quality nice and the video look rich. You know how Byll Gatesz, you know, say that look rich.
Yeah.
Facebook, Byll Gatesz. Instagram, Byll Gatesz 25 _ hey. But remember people, you don't have to spell the name correctly. The name is spelled BYLL GATEZS. So anybody spell the name BILL. Assume me assume. Yeah?
Alright, so we got the Scammer Wine video right now at HypeTV. We're gonna drop it live. But I think Byll Gatesz should intro the video.
Yeah, why not? Alright, watch it now.
Intro.
People, watch it now. You don't know one Byll Gatesz, I know me no Byll Gatesz. See? I remember me alone at the airport in my house. I drive, go make kitchen and fly down about 2. So right now, everybody on the tune in, so watch it. The big bad video called Scammer Wine. It got drop now. Check it out.
Yes, my personal business happens. Say, I need 100 of them. If you don't know, I wish I could scam. I don't know what she's done. Oh, she's style and I talk to the mama. We are on the class, we are the next summer. We are on the floor, we are feeling free. We are on the floor, then she didn't want to try to go. She wants to walk it out, take for your home. We can't let you find it for me. You're the one she can't have a lot. And this time I'm going to check up the bottom of my next time. So just get time and I feel it.
So I go on there, 7 a.m. in the morning, and them tell me I get scammed now. Yeah, we're going to try to keep news.
Which year? You realize that wallet? What? Scammer Wine. Scam me.
Look, it was
phone there.
Yo, yeah, John. You party over? Party been a long time, brother.
Say your space, yes, sir.
No, I'm gonna see ya.
John, my dog, you must have got down in the chair and all dog.
Yes, sir.
John, dog, you must scam me, dog.
Yeah. Just get up.
No, wait there.
You go home, man.
John, please, no,
Yo, yeah, take from the things out.
Alright, father, come give me a lift. Boy, come in.
But I said, girl. The man called John Bling and say, oh, that girl is wicked. John Bling just touch her side and say, like, where everything them come, baby. Yeah. Scam everything them come. Like it. Alright, so, Byll Gatesz. So these are the girls that we need to be afraid of. Because they're, you know, they might be with your best friend and they want to scam you. No, so I'm afraid of them, man. But, man, everybody get married. Yeah, brother. It's serious. What if they're bad though? We're not like clean, nice, the vibe, you know what I mean, the energy nice, like a party scene.
Well, when I really dropped the thing in, if you notice from me and Anthony Cruz,
Selector in the video was full of energy. Yeah.
Supa.
Yeah, one of the baddest selectors in Jamaica. Crazy. So, like, I want you to just remind them of Byll Gatesz, you know? People can keep up with you, you know? Follow you.
Yeah, as I said.
Know where you're going, know you're performing, know when's the next show.
Oh,
Big show.
big show. I'm going to share this, I'm going to kick it to it. About one Byll Gatesz, you know what things said.
Alright.
So, as I said, Facebook, Byll Gatesz. Instagram, Byll Gatesz 25 _ hey. Twitter, Byll Gatesz. Remember the spelling.
And what can we look for next from Byll Gatesz right now?
Well, to be honest with you, they must say the sky the limit, but I'm going beyond the sky.
Beyond the sky.
Yes, I know, say, you know what the thing said, that crazy word. Right now, I have a whole new single Vice Up right now. I just mix them and come and with that. I work with a portion of producer, right now, I believe in a Byll Gatesz career.
Of course.
And I send Byll Gatesz a road. And the street don't love Byll Gatesz area, so people
Really?
want to look out for the Jamaican Byll Gatesz. One Byll Gatesz there, and see me.
Yeah. No, sir. When you're on Instagram, Byll Gatesz 25 _ hey. I'm walking around like this. Alright, so Byll, I'm not thinking, you know.
Big up yourself, you
I'm sure you're going to mash up the place, you know.
Respect, see?
Do the music, you know.
And watch out, more time in Jet, June, me and June.
Yeah, June.
Yeah, more time I got June. Right now, at the RR outside,
Yeah.
people remember me unpredictable, you know. When they see me ride out a bike, I go down the road and see me like the jet and I say, wait, now I'm biking, get a ride.
Why do it?
I want Byll Gatesz, yeah?
Awesome.
Jamaica.
Alright, Pete, so we have Byll Gatesz in the building right now. The Olympics, we were very successful. We got a silver medal in the female relay. Yeah.